Hello and welcome to Chamberites interview. In today's episode, we are in conversation with Dr. Ashwini Sandhu, founder of Path of Bliss. It is an NGO working for weaker section of our society. Ma'am, Ashwini ma'am, welcome to our show.
Thanks so much, Shakti, for inviting me on this wonderful forum.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, so let's start with the episode. Ma'am, you come from a very good family, from a very reputed family. So, what made you start this NGO?
Path of Bliss derives the inspiration from the Sanskrit slok Atma Mokshartam Jagat Hitayatra, that's self-realization with service to humanity.
Mm-hmm.
Now, generally, we all give back something to the society in our own small way,
Right,
like doing small things for maybe your own maid or whatever you people have.
right.
But when we join hands, we can really do wonders and contribute much better.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, we were a very small team, a handful of members. Then many friends joined us, and then their friends joined us, and we
Mm-hmm.
slowly grew into a very big family of more than 70 members from all parts of the world.
Okay, it's very nice to hear, ma'am. Ma'am, what kind of activities are you involved in?
We support orphanages, old age homes,
Mm-hmm.
community education centers, street children, slums, transgenders, cancer patients,
Okay.
animal shelter homes, rescue
Mm-hmm.
foundations. We also have done plantation drives, and we have also done lots and lots of medical camps for the villages and poor people. Some
Okay.
events I would like to share which have left a mark on my mind. We
Mm-hmm.
had held a cricket match for the blind.
Okay.
Do you really know how a cricket match is played by blind boys?
No, no, really not.
There's a very special ball which
Okay.
has this anklet bells, the gungurus.
Okay.
And when that ball actually comes, the player who bats actually hears the ball and then hits it. And
Okay.
it is so difficult when we actually tried to hit the ball, we all failed. We were blindfolded, we just couldn't hit a single shot.
Okay.
We also provided water wheels to
Okay.
Tadwadi village.
Okay.
Water wheel is a kind of a wheel which carries around 50 liters of water, so that these children in Tadwadi don't study because their parents need this kind of help from them to get water.
Mm-hmm.
And mostly the girl child, and they injure their spine when they carry 20 liters of water.
Right.
So when we donated this, we actually could help them to save time and study their own, like their standards.
Okay.
We also had a toilet for a family at Ambe Shivansai as a
Okay.
part of the government's drive to eliminate open defecation.
Mm-hmm.
So these kind of activities we keep doing. We also organize sports day for this mentally deficient children home. And we actually gave them individual medals. And those kids had tears of joy when they climbed up the stage to receive those medals.
Okay.
We organized dance competition for transgender community with the help of Hamsafar. So
Okay.
do visit our website pathofblisstrust.org for
Absolutely.
viewing these activities and contacting us.
Excellent work, ma'am. Excellent work. Ma'am, in this Corona crisis, how helpful your NGO was?
As you know, the primary challenge in these times was the shortage of food.
Right.
So the daily wagers, the truck drivers, or the slums, the rat pickers, the safai walas, security guards, all of these people were affected. And what we did was we worked along with organizations at grassroots level where we provided cooked food and then the monthly grocery kit. Alongside with helping or supporting the organizations like Rotigar, Ananda Parivar, Emert, Parker Chain, Sprouts, Earth Angels, Amigos, Chembur Amigos, Animal Shelter Homes, Gurukul, and so many of the other people.
Very nice, ma'am. Ma'am, I have heard your NGO help people in getting some employment during this pandemic period. In what way you help the people to gain some source of livelihood?
So what we did was we created a Google form
Okay.
from our trust website, and we got it filled by all those who had lost their jobs.
Okay.
We then sourced the available jobs, talking to various associations from social media, the shopkeepers organization, and there's an efficient back office team which actually coordinated the vacancies and the available jobs.
Okay.
We also created some prototype models like a dry fruit franchisee. and
Okay.
around 12 categories of household products where the people with having a flair for sales could get retail profits and a kind of passive income. Then there were people who had some scooter and who came to us that they had no jobs. So we made them ready as Chembur drones.
Okay.
But for doing the small deliveries for senior citizens if they need a medicine or some groceries if they need for a
Okay.
nominal amount, which they
Okay.
can shell. So it happened that they could get some money out of it. Other one thing we are supporting is the community fridges, if you've seen, which are getting installed at various levels in locations in Chembur with the help of nobody ever should sleep hungry.
Right.
This niche organization. So we earnestly appeal to all the citizens to cook a little more daily and keep it in the fridge so that it can help the others.
Right. Okay. So you want to add something more?
I would just like to add that if we Chemburites come together, we can do a lot to make life easier for those who are not well cared for. So do connect
Okay.
with us for a better cause.
So how can a volunteer in your can get involved in your trust or in your events?
You can just send me a small message on our site, pathofblisstrust.com, or even below this video, we'll get in contact with you.
No problem. I'll share your website and your email address along with this in the description. So, ma'am, thank you so much. It was wonderful to have you on our show. And we wish you all the best for your upcoming events.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, bye, ma'am.